Hello, she. Hi, she. Good morning, she. Are you okay?
Yes, I have a little sleep.
Oh, okay. You take a nap. Did you just wake up, she?
I wake. I I just brushed my teeth and I study with you because I wake up at 10:30.
Wait, you sleep in again. Okay, she. Well, that is good. Well, you deserve that rest, she. And I believe after lunch you will sleep again. Are you going to sleep again after lunch?
I don't know. I I was wake up and I can't sleep again.
Oh, you can't sleep again. Okay. Did you eat your breakfast already, she?
No.
Oh my gosh, are you hungry?
No, I don't hungry.
Oh, you're not hungry. Tell me if you're hungry, okay? Well, you can eat while we're having our class, she. That's okay. So let me share my screen now. And
Hey,
yes,
teacher,
yes?
I just found this.
Yeah, where did you get that? Is it just the same as this? Is that from
Yes,
the sticker? Maybe that's a
yeah.
new one. I think that's a new one.
I
Because I haven't
I
seen that one last time. Oh, it's here. Or this one. Okay, wait. Okay, this one. It's cute as well. Yeah, we have a lot of options here. Yes, that is nice. Oh, you know how to make or to use filters now. Now, let me share my screen. Today we will talk about countries. Okay. Do you know a lot of countries, she?
yes.
Oh, yes.
In
Can you give me five countries? Five countries.
England,
Mm-hmm.
USA,
Okay, yes.
Malaysia,
Vietnam.
oh,
You did not mention Vietnam. Okay. And last one, she.
Philippines.
Yes, Philippines. It is a country. What's your dream country, she?
My dream country is
Yes.
uh South Korea.
Oh, it's really South Korea. What's next? What's your top three? Okay, we have South Korea.
Uh,
What about Japan?
USA.
Oh, USA. Okay, and
Uh,
what is it?
I think it's Japan.
Oh, it's Japan. Yes, no wonder. Japan is very clean and as well as it's really breathtaking, she. But I'm curious, why do you want to go to the USA? Why USA, she? What's in USA that you want to see?
Uh, uh, this country is uh,
It's
beautiful. clean and I don't know in English.
Okay, but it's very beautiful. Okay, I see. Thank you so much. Have you been to other countries? Have you been to China, Thailand? Have you been to other countries? No, not yet. Okay, maybe in the future. Your first flight would be in South Korea. By the way, do you know Switzerland? No, okay, wait. I'll show you Switzerland. This is my dream country. But it's really far and very expensive as well.
Oh,
This place, it's really beautiful.
I I know a little in
A little in.
One Cup. I see this in One Cup.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Well, I believe in some of these pictures in Switzerland, they have this one as well in China. It looks similar, but of course it is in China. And you have Bana Hills in Vietnam.
Yes. I
It's
know.
very beautiful as well. Bana Hills. Have you been to
Yes.
Bana Hills,
No, I like One Cup and but uh I can't go to them. I don't know.
You don't know. What's the most beautiful place in Vietnam that you have been to?
It's
It's.
not in the same.
Oh, you don't understand? Wait, let me translate it. What's the most beautiful place in Vietnam that you've been to? Oh, a lot of places I see. Halong Bay?
Uh, I think
It's? What place? I'm curious.
I I go to the lab city in I 6 years and okay uh in her I in her city I don't know this in English. I
Wait, are you from Hue, Where in Vietnam do you live,
I live in her city.
Oh, okay. Well, Hue is very beautiful as well, and as well as Dalat.
Oh, I want to go to the Gala City.
Are you going to travel this year?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know. Okay, that's fine, Now, we'll have the discussion. Okay, so in here you will be Maya and I will be Miss Brown. Okay, so we have here the map. There are so many countries in. It's your turn.
There are so many countries in the world.
Yes, I'm from Canada. Do you know where Canada is?
Yes, it's right here.
Okay, yes, very good. Do you study the map, Do you have,
Yes,
oh yes, you do. The map of the world, or the map of Vietnam?
the map in my class has a map was
Oh, world map. Okay, that's great, Now, can you tell me what do we call the people living in Canada? What do we call the people living in Canada? Like, for example, we call the people living in Vietnam Vietnamese, right? Vietnamese. What about the people living in Canada?
uh
It's And for the Philippines, the people in the Philippines, we are called Filipinos.
oh in Canada is a little oh my aunt is in the Canada and in Canada is cold.
Oh, yes, it is. I believe they experience winter there. Oh, by the way, the people in Canada, we call them Canadian. Okay? Canadian. Same as China, we call them
Chinese.
Chinese. Sorry, Okay, so the people in China, what do we call them? We call them,
Chinese.
yeah, Chinese. Okay, so now we'll talk about that even further. Now, can you tell me, where is she from?
She's from Japan.
Yeah, so what do we call the people living in Japan? They are?
That Japan.
Yes, they are Japanese. Are you not sure with your answer, Yes, they are what we call Japanese. Okay, yes, this is their flag. Okay, next one. Now, what about this person? Where is he from?
She's from South Korea.
Okay, yes, he's from South Korea. So, what do we call the people living in Korea,
Uh,
It's They are? They are? They live in South Korea, but we call them the people there. They are? They are Korean. Korean. Yes, Korean. Okay, they're Koreans. Now, next one. Oh, you know this one already. Where is she from?
China.
Okay, and what do we call the people living in China?
Uh, they are Chinese.
Yes, they are Chinese. Okay, now what about her? Where is she
She's
from?
she's from
She is from the US. And what do we call the people from US? They are? They are? Americans.
Oh,
Americans.
oh, um,
Like Donald Trump. Do you know Donald Trump?
yes.
Okay, so yes, Americans. There you have it. Yes, the people. Yeah. Oh, you look surprised. Okay. Yes, the people from the US. They are Americans. Okay, next one. Where is he from?
He is from Australia.
Okay, and what do we call the people from Australia? What is it? I can't hear you, They are? They are? Do you know? Have you learned this one in some of your subjects at school? They are Australians. Australians. Okay, Australians. That is what we call them. Okay. Next one. What about from the UK? United Kingdom. UK. United Kingdom.
I learned from this.
United. This is United Kingdom. UK. UK. What do we call them? They are British. 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 Okay, British people. Okay. Yeah, we have so much more to learn. I see. Now, in here, you have to tell me where they are from. Okay. So, can you tell me where is he from?
He is from uh UK.
Is it UK?
Australia.
Wait, I'm just, I'm just asking you if you would stay with your answer. Yes, it is the UK. It's the UK. I just ask you again to test if you would stay firm with your answer. Okay, yes, this is the UK or United Kingdom. What about her? Where is she from?
She is from China.
Okay, very good. Next one.
He is from Australia.
Very good. Where is she from?
She's from Japan.
Very good. Where is she from?
She's from US.
Okay, yes, US, the US. And the last one,
He's from South Korea.
very good. Okay, yes. He's from South Korea. Okay, so we have here more countries. Lesson 4. Okay, can you tell me where is he from?
He's from India.
Okay, what do we call the people from India? They are?
Uh, they are Indian.
Yes, very good. They are Indians. Okay, now what about her? Where is she from?
She's from Canada.
Okay, so what do we call the people from Canada? They are? They are?
Another one.
They are Canadians. She, Canadians. Okay, they are Canadians. Okay, next one. We as well have this. Oh, I told you the answer earlier. She, where is he from?
It's from Philippines.
Oh,
Is your country?
yeah, it's my country. She, what do we call the people living in the Philippines? Can you still remember it? She, I told you earlier, right? What is it? She, I am from the Philippines
Yes,
and I am,
Philippines.
okay, Filipino. She, Filipino. If one, but of course, if a lot, Filipinos. Okay. Filipinos. Next one. Okay, what about her? Where is she from?
She is from Brazil.
Okay, yes, very good. What do we call the people from Brazil? Loading. Okay, which means thinking. Okay, you're still thinking. What is your answer? Do you know? If you don't, that's okay. They are Brazilians. Brazilians. Yes, all you have to do is to add IA and S. Okay,
I
Brazilians.
will think this.
You think what?
I will always think.
Okay. So in most of the countries, we would add IA and S. Okay, but of course, it's not applicable to all. Now, next one. Where is she from?
She's from Thailand.
Yeah, she's from Thailand. And what do we call the people from Thailand? They are, it's not Thailandians, it's Thais. Okay, Thai. Okay, so we can say Thai. She is Thai. Yes, Thai. But of course, if we're referring to two or more people from Thailand, we can say they are Thais. Okay, they are Thais. Okay, she. That's fine, she. Now, what about for this person? Where is he from?
He's from New Zealand. Mm.
Okay, he's from New Zealand. And what do we call the people from New Zealand?
It's
It's difficult. Okay, so the people from New Zealand, we call them New Zealanders. Okay. So there you have it. Now let us practice again. Can you tell me where is she from?
from Brazil.
Very good. Where is he from?
He's from New Zealand.
Very good. What about her?
She's from Thailand.
Okay, yes, she's from Thailand. Where is he from?
He's from India.
Okay, yes, India. Where is she from?
He's from Canada.
Okay, and the last one.
He's from Philippines.
Okay, yes, very good. What do we call again the people from India?
It's Indian.
Okay, yes, Indians. What about Canada?
Um, uh,
Did you write it? Or no, you did not.
um,
They are? Don't be shy. They are. Canadians. Okay, Canadians. What about from the Philippines? From the
uh,
Philippines.
Philippines.
Okay, Filipinos. Okay, what about from Brazil?
Uh, Brazil.
Lians. Okay, Brazilians. What about from Thailand? Yes, Thais. And New Zealand.
Yeah.
Okay,
Um,
New Zealanders.
yes.
Okay, so that's fine. She will continue the review next meeting. And now you can eat your breakfast, Thank you so much. Goodbye, she. Take care,